Thenyizumi Village, one of the oldest villages in the Tenyimi region, is said to be situated at the heart of the area, according to our forefathers. This village is steeped in myth and mystery, with numerous legendary stories passed down through generations. Here's a wonderful story to share with you. Once upon a time, there was a young woman who lived in a beautiful village. One day, she decided to travel to a neighboring village to buy a piglet for rearing. After much searching, she finally found the perfect piglet and began her journey back home. As she made her way through the forest, the young woman started to feel tired. Spotting a large tree with inviting shade, she decided to rest for a while. She sat down beneath the tree, and before she knew it, she had fallen fast asleep. When she finally awoke, she was horrified to discover that the piglet she had bought had mysteriously turned into stone. Confused and frightened by the strange occurrence, she felt both scared and embarrassed. With a heavy heart, she left the stone piglet behind and returned home empty-handed, the mystery of what had happened lingering in her thoughts. The pig stone remains to this day, still standing in its original spot.